Good day, guys. This is day 3 of breaking down data concepts. Previously, we talked about the structure of data sets, but today we'll be talking about one of the fundamental basics you're going to learn or you're going to use as a data analyst, which is data types and data categories. Let's head over to my screen. So, data analysis doesn't have to be complicated, because data analysis is practical and relatable. They are applied in our everyday life. That's why I want to break down data analytics concepts in a way everybody should understand. So we'll be talking about data types today. So now data types is simply the format of the data, whether it is text, whether it is date or numbers. That's the format of the data. Now let's take for example now this name column now. We can see that the format is text. Look at this age column now. The format is numbers. This rank column, the format is text. This one, the format is numbers. So data types is just the format of the data. Now, why do we need to set data types? As like now, I want to do certain calculations. You know that we cannot add Charles Evans to Patricia Green. We can't add text to text. Neither can we add numbers to text. We can only add numbers to numbers. So we set our data type so that we don't have this conflict when we are manipulating data. Now, just a glimpse of how we set data types. Now, I'm currently in Excel. So how we set data types in Excel is that we select the column. Now, let me use this higher date column now. If we come to our data tab, I mean, our home tab rather, we have this number section here. Now, this place now that you see general, the place where we set our data type. If you click it now, you have a list of data types you can set. So you can set this higher date now as numbers, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, and all that. But this higher date column is for date. So you can just set it to short date. Now, data categories is different from data type. Data categories is simply what the data represents. Things like countries, states, postal codes, latitudes, and many others. Now let's take from our data set now. This postal code now, the data type, which is the format, is text because we have text records here. Now, text like this. When you have alphanumeric records, that's also text. So now we set this postal code to text. Then we set the data category to postal code. Now we have things like latitude. When you are doing some data manipulations, the stuff will not work because the tool is not seeing this column as latitude. You have to set the data category to latitude. That's not the data type, that's the data category. We have things like state, country. That's the data category. So I'll be showing you with Power BI's table view how to set it. So guys, this is Power BI's table view now. So I'll be showing you how to set the data categories now. Now, you come to your column tools. Let's just use the latitude and longitude. So for this latitude now, you come to you can see that the data category is set to uncategorized. You check. Okay, now you see you have two options, either latitude or longitude. So we choose latitude as the data category for this column. You come to this one, choose our data, set our data category to longitude. Then we have things like postal code. Now, postal code. You can come here, set our data category. Now we have, now this is what I wanted to show you. The data categories, we have things like address. You can set a column and say the data category for this column is address. We have place, we have city, we have country, we have state or province, postal code, country or region, continent, latitude, longitude, even web URL. You can say this column contains web URL records. This column contains image URL. This column contains barcode. So we set it to postal code. So this is how we set your data types and data categories. Now, the major difference between data types and data categories is that data types is the format of the data, while data categories are what or is what the data represents.